conjunction. Conjunctions are words that we use to connect words and sentences. What are conjunctions, children? Conjunctions are words that we use to connect words or sentences. Okay ma, words and sentences. Commonly used conjunctions AND and, BUT but, ORR, SOSO, BECAUSE, because, etc. Yes, children. For example, I have a pen, pencil. These two things now I want to tell together. How I will tell? I have a pen and a pencil. Yes, ma, these two things I said together. Here, to join these two words, what I used? Very good. AND. Here, AND is nothing but conjunction. About conjunction, let us know some more examples. Conjunction activity. See here, I wrote some sentences, some words. Okay, and here I arranged different conjunctions. Okay, what is your work? Now, we should observe these sentences and we should think and keep in which place which conjunction will come. Okay, are you ready? Let us read. She could not attend the class. She was sick. See children, this is one sentence, this is one sentence. Now, in these two sentences, which conjunction we should keep? Think here. What will come? Very good. What it is? Because. Now read. She could not attend the class because she was sick. Why she could not attend the class? Because she is sick. Is it correct now? Next. I like chocolates, cookies. Here separate is there. This is separate. To join these two, which conjunction we will use? Observe. Already one completed, more 4 left. What children? Very good. What will ma? AND. I like chocolates and cookies. Next sentence. This book does not belong to me. Does it belong to my sister? This is separate sentence. This is separate sentence. To join these two sentences, which conjunction we will use? Think. Very good. NOR, nor. This book does not belong to me. Nor does it belong to my sister. Is it correct, children? Next. We wanted to go to the beach. It rained. To join these two, which conjunction we will use? Here two only left. Observe. BUT but or ORR. Depending on sentence, we should choose conjunction. Okay, ma? We wanted to go to the beach or it rained. Is it correct? No. We wanted to go to the beach but it rained. It is correct. Do you want to eat nuts? Cupcakes. Here what will come? Only one left. What is that? ORR. Now read. Do you want to eat nuts or cupcakes? See children, depending on sentences, we should choose conjunction. Which conjunction will come in that? Understood, ma? Rahat, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, one worksheet is there. What is your work, you know? You should complete the sentences with correct conjunction. Here, conjunctions are there, no, ma? And, BUT but, SOSO, ORR, FOR, for. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Ron laughed cheerfully. Dash jumped out.
What will come in that blank?
And.
Very good.
She is poor dash she is kind. But.
Very good.
Emma asked me a doubt dash I replied.
What will come in that blank?
So.
Very good.
Tina dash Tim are best friends.
What will come in that blank?
And.
Very good.
I was tired dash I went to home early.
Very good. What will come in that?
So. She refused at first dash finally accepted it. But I buy cakes, candies, dash ice creams.
What will come in that blank?
And.
Very good.
I have got an exam tomorrow dash I must study tonight.
What will come in that blank?
So.
Very good.
Do you prefer coffee dash tea or?
Very good, ma'am.
I have waited at the airport dash 3 hours.
What will come in that blank?
For.
Students, once I will check she did correct or wrong. Okay. Ron laughed cheerfully and jumped out. It is correct? Yes, it is correct. She is poor, but she is kind. It is also correct. Emma asked me a doubt, so I replied. It is also correct. Tina and Tim are best friends. It is also correct. I was tired, so I went to home early. Is it correct, students? Yes. She refused at first, but finally accepted it. It is also correct. I buy cakes, candies and ice creams. It is correct? Yes. I have got an exam tomorrow, so I must study tonight. Is it correct? Yes. Do you prefer coffee or tea? Is it correct, ma? Yes. I have waited at the airport for 3 hours. Is it correct? Yes. 10 are correct. Very good, Rahat. Students, you should also read like these sentences and think in which fill in the blank what conjunction will come and write. Send that video in Telegram group. I will send one worksheet to you. Okay, students? Thank you.